Hi there, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. And today we've now finished the outer chassis rail on that. So some of you are probably thinking that there's a lip there. Yes, there is a bit of a lip. Now that is where I've done the welding. I've grounded it back and I've left just a little bit there. And that because it's not very easy to try and get your grinding disc in. Oh yeah, by the way, I bought another grinder. $12 from my local pawnbrokers, Bundy Pawnbrokers. So if anyone wants anything, go and see Glenn at Bundy Pawnbrokers. Great guy, great to deal with, very highly recommended. Also, if you need a loan, go and see him. Also, great on prices on their general stuff. So yeah, jump into Bundy Pawnbrokers. So yeah, that's just what's going on at the moment. As I said before, and a couple of the other videos, I've got to take roughly about that much out there and make that lip there. Also got to make that bit there up, and shortly I'm going to put a bit of tape along here, cut this section here and down that way there, so then I can check to see what mess I have in behind there to fix, and keep your fingers crossed that there is no chassis rail inner. I know there will be a section underneath that will need to be done, but I need to get the fuel line out first before doing that, so I do not cut it because I need to get a new one made up. So if anyone can let me know how is the best way to get the fuel line out, that would be really, really good. So yeah, I also have the handbrake that I'll have to take out from there as well. Oh no, that would be the brake line. Sorry, that's the brake line that comes out. It goes out through there, so that goes down along the inner seal panel. So yeah, so that's the next job, and that would be the next video. So I'll actually make a bit of a video on that one. So that will be a Anzac video. So because tomorrow's Anzac Day. So don't forget, everyone. On that, pay your respects, and yeah, don't forget minute silence for the day, especially at lunchtime. I think it is. So yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. That's what's happening at the moment. So this side is almost probably 3/4 of the way done. I'll be making up. I'll be finishing up this section here later. Oh, excuse me. So yeah, so if you're local to Bundaberg, don't forget, go down to either Shoe Steel for your sheet metal, or if you're just after scrap sections to do a bit of rust repair, like I've done, then jump down to Shaw's steel recyclers. I think they're just up the road from Fix It Auto Wreckers. That's if you're local to Bundaberg and you're watching. Alright then, cheerio for now, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and share the videos as well, and don't forget, give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Alright then, cheerio for now.